welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing. Yay! Okay, before we get started, just telling you guys right now, I am not a beauty expert. I am not a professional at all, but I just really like trying out new products, and so that's why I signed up for this. But if you're expecting makeup tutorials or anything, I could surely try, but like... Okay, I got a box in the mail recently from a company called Influenster, and if you guys don't know what Influenster is, I'm going to leave a description and a link down below so you can go check it out, but it's really cool. So what you do is you just sign up and you create an account and you connect all of your social medias, and then it's kind of like an online community. You can go and you can review your favorite products, and you can ask questions about products, answer questions about products, and then if you're qualified, you will sometimes receive boxes in the mail of complimentary products. Like, I did not pay anything for this. These were all sent to me for free, and these are just a bunch of products that they sent me, and they just asked me to review them. So I was like, hey, why don't I film a video where I open it up, because I'm super excited to see what's inside. This box that I received this time is called the What a Girl Wants VoxBox, so we're gonna see if it is stuff that I actually want. This is the box I got. Ooh, it's purple. It's so fun. It says, it's your, what does that say? It's yours. Share it with the world. So hello world. Here's my box. I'm gonna open it now. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Okay, here it is. What a Girl Wants VoxBox. Okay. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, the first thing is, oh my goodness, look. This is a cute little travel version of the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. Yeah, so this is a trial version of this. I have actually already used this product before. See, this is the full-size bottle. This is a Micellar Cleansing Water. I love this stuff, you guys. This is not even my first bottle. I think that I have actually repurchased this product. So basically, it's micellar water, so it's really good for removing makeup and cleansing the skin. And this stuff is like really strong. It works. I don't really generally use it for a full face of makeup, but I'm sure you could. I'm sure this stuff would totally work for that. I tend to reach for it on days like today when I don't really have a lot of face makeup on, just to remove my eye makeup, or just sometimes when I take a makeup wipe and I remove a full face of makeup, and then I'll go in afterwards with a cotton pad full of this, just as an extra kind of cleansing, because then you'll go in with this and you'll say, oh my gosh, I did not actually get off all the makeup. And sometimes I'll even just take this on a blank face. I'll just kind of rinse my skin with it because it just feels so good. It just feels like it actually cleanses, which is really cool. And what I love about it, unlike other makeup removers, it actually, it doesn't leave any sort of residue on your skin. It actually feels really fresh. So, wow, I'm so excited to have this. This is just like a little trial version. This is a really good size to have. I can take it with me when I travel. It's really great. It's got no oil, which is why it doesn't leave a residue. No alcohol, no fragrance. So it's just simple and fresh. Super pumped for that. Okay, what else is in here? This is another fun travel size. You guys, I really love getting sample products like this size. In the past, I have gotten full-size products with this company, but I love getting the sample products because it's just a perfect size to try things out, and I love to take them with me when I travel. So this is from Not Your Mother's. This is Not Your Mother's Beat the Heat Thermal Shield Spray, infused with sunflower and vitamin A and E. Cool. So this is like a spray, and it's supposed to protect your hair when you're using heat on it. So if you're going to blow dry your hair or like style it with a curling iron. Okay, it says use on dry hair before using your flat or curling iron. Okay, cool. Let's see what it smells like. Oh. It has a nice spray on it. Ooh, that smells so good. What the heck? Okay. Super cool. I'm excited to try this. The only other product that I've tried from this brand is their dry shampoo, and I liked it pretty well, so I'm super excited to try this. Wow, I can't get over how good that smells. Yay, thermal spray. Okay, Okay, we've got one more makeup product in here, and then a super exciting treat, which I'm excited for. They're in bubble wrap. How do I get this out of here? Oh, fun, fun, fun. You guys. Oh, I almost dropped it. 2 nail polishes. These are from Sinful Colors. These are so cute. Look, these are like perfect colors for fall. We've got this kind of nude pink color is called Vacation Time. All right, okay. And then this one is a really nice kind of orangey red. Oh, it's called Rorange. That was a good description of it, huh? Wow, that's cool. I'm excited to try these out. I do like this brand. I have a couple other colors by them. So yay, super excited. Sinful Colors. And the last thing in my box, let's check it out. Holy crap, this is big. Oh, I gotta put the box down. Hold on. Toffifay? Have you guys ever tried this? It's candy. They sent me candy. A whole hazelnut, caramel, hazelnut cream, and chocolate. Oh my goodness, guys, there's 30 pieces in here. This is so exciting. I have gotten food from Influenster before. I've gotten some K-cups and like other kind of, oh, there's 2 packs in here. Okay, so it's like 2 of these kind of sizes. Should I try one on camera? I don't know that I've ever eaten a whole hazelnut. It's kind of scary. Oh, look how cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, let's get one. So they're kind of like a half circle. Okay guys, the moment of truth. I didn't really get much of the hazelnut in that bite. But see, there's a nut on the bottom. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yep. That's really great. I enjoy that. So fun. Yum. Wow, that's really cool. So I just want to say thank you to Influencer and these brands for sending me their products. I am so excited to try all of these out and to eat the rest of this candy. Hopefully not in one sitting. That would be good. I'll be posting other kind of reviews on my social media as I get a chance to try these products further. But in the meantime, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned on my channel. Next week, we're going to be doing some vlogs and all the stuff about preparing for Thanksgiving. Hope to see you back soon. Bye! Today, I'm going to be talking about... What am I going to be talking about? Beauty. Beauty? Oh. I'm going to be doing a different kind of video yet again. It's okay. It's okay. Because everyone's different. What? Oh, I should probably get some scissors or something. Didn't really think this through. Aha! Okay. Please don't cut yourself. Is that it? Is there only one piece of tape? Okay. Oh gosh. That was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. It's back here. That didn't work. I don't know if I want to post this video. I'll just be eating candy. Who's gonna want to watch this?